Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, and this is the question I'm going to answer. How can you insert a text box into a Google Doc? But before I show you the options, hit that subscribe button because I create these videos just for you. So there is no specific text box entry that you can do in a Google Doc. But for a text box like effect, you could do one of these two options. Number one, I could insert a single cell table. And in the table, I can put text in the table cell that is in the Google Doc. That's one way. And you can resize that box however you want. You can adjust the formatting of that box however you want. Change the border color if you want to. Change the border width if you want to. Unfortunately, there's not a whole lot of formatting that you can do to position a table cell in a Google Doc. So let's look at another option. The other option is that you could insert a drawing. And in that drawing, you can put a text box. So put a text box in the drawing. Put your text in there. Again, format the box any way you want. Change the color of it if you want to change the color of it. Change the format, the font size to a bigger font, whatever you want to do there, and then insert that. And because this is an image, a text box and an image, you've got a little bit more formatting capabilities than you do with a table cell. So you got text wrapping of ability, and you've got size ability. So if you put this behind the text or in front of the text, whichever you decide to do, then you can grab a hold of it and you can position it wherever you want to position it, as I screwed that up, and put it however you want to put it. So those are really the only two options that I've found as alternatives to text box, is either a table cell with basically minimal formatting, no positional formatting for the most part, but a drawing that you created that you put a text box in the drawing, and then you have the ability to move it around as you would with any other image or drawing in your Google Doc. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.